Nice one, baby. Biara will be a mature by Yesu Christo demo. Father Dixon one channel so now Ubenya sa programming after. The same time precious media is streaming live home. And air that for trade and Punyaku Ponwaye. Ye baby din como. But then come on a baby dino. Nyabre, Nanya daje. E be a nan sime be can be boo, a better shock. And Bomodin said, Ube Johnny. Usra and common a Bible din dumuno. And I per video for Fronede, Eshe. And I say, and Mosocrasa will share, cause ye be consuming Sama ehun, and Sama won't say, and Sama a binum expression and Uncomo, into Gibrania Daje, Nina, a pet service video. But I'm you who are drencher or comment section, I say, na like a video, na sa share and will be so any day in Shibi. Na wanya pese minkuminya ewo video ye ho medin ede kwa kubuzi a ye twe ho sima ye ba ye betwa nkomo nso. Wow, father, mo akwaba.
Okokubuzia.
Na mejiri se nyame adum bia boko.
Nyame adum abobo tayechi anopa. Ewiane na nadwunyina.
Nice one. Let's say ebefa akonya we so ama obi bia ohwe akwaba se onya abre enya daje. Etwen ye na mikasa tenten nyina achi no. One skip video no enya ntobo ase atwen ye. Yemu akwaba ya daje se wajibre na ahwe. Ene sunsume hinta sem ne ma hinta ne ba bedim komo. Father na bibia boko bi empare se bisa pa.
Bedawase. Enne enam say the seven powerful great princes that he has mama me ekonya yi so. Seven fanchi metiefuo nyina. The mighty and the spiritual commandos like Uriel also ati asema say ne ankasa. E say e program this okoso one on one.
Nice one. Ene ye ba bedim komo. Na me pese me hu e wa abrabo mu. Ye ka se father edutu ye den.
Bedawase. E ka se edutu aya ade bia e ba wo life ma. It was the senses of humanity, not the spiritual sense of humanity. It means seize back. The people could have 7 senses of humanity. So I could seize and let us do take place. Before it will take place, I'm also a group into 3 medium parts. On the D2, you the white part, the black part, or the red parts. The D2 Kasama, the Mahodo means.
Edutu no eguma hodo miensa. Na miensa no den.
Bedase. Your white part edutu ho. Your red part edutu ho. And the black part edutu so.
White part edutu.
Yeah.
Na say no nshada nya edutu ana say den.
Yeni na edutu. But edutu white part no. It mean the aduanedi mu e de mani pakoro no. Say sunsun aduanedi mu. It mean connect to ade a okra ne fe. Ebia ya meti ebia medije ebia body apesi na bai da apesi a enam sa ho mri nyame kota ho mri se adwani se ya mepe enti no sunsum no ye be ba am vision mu ye de abo we na ye de amame na medi sa aduane no na afa sa ade no let's connect into the na breaking the 7 senses no and no quality breaking 7 senses 7 it break be 3 yeah that the white parts. And a black part, if you are Utimono, and Casanas will be away at Juman Casan. It will be Faho, a do to him. Ebia them panier, I got to Obia or shop and him.
That's what Queen
Yako that's Nasso. As a bow room. And the black magic part, and a red part, one Casa or part, and any war relationship. It may the fun of so through sex. And what Yasa partner, it's money.
Odofo aneto
no yeah it be the first sex so e bia o ma me na papa e empese bia be wale sa wo ba no and e bia o be ma otro so wo ba o tre bia o partner bi e bia na break e kwan bi a na ni anje ho to the first it be the solidity
one man broken heart no
yeah
timi tu odu
o sa partner so
let's say you obi akwan be timi man broken heart
debe
edu tu wo ania ye be kasa fa ho baransa na no abre ben And as a crime base no betimi fa so say akwa metu na du eba ne say na sa ne timi happen
Medas. Editu before so because obetu odu no. One. Ebia eno obi na editu etimi esoliti ya no. Nyame ti ase so hwe won kasa o senses no. Nipa wo ho a eso hu okwa so anante. Koma so tu anam o physical world no. Because earth no your ade ma earth no. The sudden air back etimi amagina. Because one control the earth part na sa editu na betima asorieti ya. No matter say bia udi for na so ni for a obu ha odi bem but editu betima nya no. Because of say onye na mane because earth na we wo mu no. Sa udi na duane na odi ni nsuo nko a na so bi sori tia wa so odi bem so odi odi for betima asorieti ya na yi
odi bi man aso
odi bi for betima asorieti because earth be dia to because say earth na what so onye na pade na mane ma earth no
na so oji atum say bia sabi sanka otimi hwehwe me say bia kwakumensa odi bem yawo konto odi fo eno hwehwem na oji atum preku pese enyan
medase ye woni ma unsanse na so oba awo nko ade one oba asase wi so no asase na yi chira am obi en hu no if be the spiritual ethics it na wo oba asase wi so nko ade so utimi ya mane ma asase na de baaye no because ye wo fruit ni e be o asase obeto ye it e na wudi no wudi ko ye wudi go krem no di na wo ye ma asase no ente pepe wu a edwanya wudi ye be se ji fu o system no because o di asase no ka ade ka woni asase so ka de ya ka dwanya wudi ye no ka wudi ba ko asamando ade pegati area it so utimi ya mane ni ma asase na na se yi esa edwanya ko fu system kura na unsa zo ne ka because ya mane ma asase no enu ti na ye bu obi dua put for keep you with me and you that the edit one
anu a na nya ni a eta de na kire masa ne happen
anu akasa no one obi ha the fear ka the fearful ya ton dada enu ena akire the fear for me ma o et ma ji obi ama abana bo wasete ne mu se de pa kone o be se enti a o fear be atu because onya ma ne o fie betma gisa edu to na tum o area wo mu no e betma gisa edu to na tum confirm edu to betma nya no e fa so many process asena ahom na dia tum e fa so reati ya one e dika kokoro fiansa yem presuma no ade ya ye no yem presuma no oh ya presuma no etimi nya akwaso na so mu ade wo fie wo ye no ho kusam wo ye no ho memasam o efiefo ade atum o ma tema obi a osi udan bia o han dan so no o so no be ya atuma mo ana obi a o ye adwuma so no obi a o ye adwuma so no adwuma so no o so be ya atum eno ano no
na ti se ko ba se bia gwono amete so na me fa ne se madwuma amewo mu ya tumadu na se bia ye be pa approval adwuma mu ho na se bi obi ani e wa adwuma mu ho a se ne nyame
medase ide enko to the histories before say ubesi dan awa asase so no asase no ye won ye ma asase na asase yesidan no eti wa honhom e wo abijanshi bia position bia obegina ko eti ho na yipa kunu ebo odua no abakoko etu sa edu tuo no eye sa ade no sa position na kasa no ye wa honhom ma wote ho a wo sum dada
nyese bia nipa edi ani hu omo e wa adwuma mu ana se brono no so ana se fie ho na besom ni mu ahonhom ankasa
ahonhom akasa beso adi ni mu because ahonhom no in the store sa edutuo ni mu e de ye adwuma tuma nipa kro no because edutuo e spiritual thing enye hu ne made
na kane no na pese me bisa o se kane no na mtese ato obi adu ni ade a mse bi akoto pala bi na se bi ko montivite bi na wakotutu agu ni pana kwa no na se woda kwhye na dwan ma na se bebia bi a wo fat se ni si kirechi na wakodi ama na nya no ana edutuo no de na omode yes ade no
medati nka se edutuo be white e be black e be red it's one so no white pass enama enantia obetima ya ade wo achi bucket abia wo kwa unhu edutuo na se wodi fon kwese wodi bi so me ka kire wo no ebu ha udi bimpa bebetima ya ade atia wo emletma yema na aye adwuma
na me pese me kire se edutuo no eye style ben eye pala bi bi ko bi hwan eti say
medas edutuo no e beka African voodoo magic African voodoo magic. Because again, a comprising with dwarf spirits. Yes, that dwarf spirits. It is our spirit to control how I do to na kasamoba. Omuti yemyensa. Omunansi yemyensa. Tomoba. I don't open say, Obi and get angry. They be amu pulu. Because I'm on friendship, but if any unit of one person adiano. They be amu pulu disturbances.
And it's a mentim who has a bar. Difference to obey a human.
But my age, man. Ebia, Obakona Eddie, I did a chini. They polite angry or it is people catching and say, you say you don't hire them. Take action.
Young Comodimuno, what if Fred Granny Samson?
Yeah.
A granny ni I had to a do. Nipano to a granny to a do. And I say, maybe I'm good tonight, did dinner. Nobody a drew Bible boom to say there be a chasing any idea you. And I said to say, a granny dear will do to to say,
a grandma do to one. Nipan or prepare a granny amount. Now, Mr. Woody Pano, who got her granny. One with sad direction, and I will be a custom no to him. Ebia, when I am miss or 7. It's a home. Yepim repoint it, yep, mashias, ye nintino. It's about who was spiritual room with a fellow crown. Near the Edica contract national, sir. Obit me poison would be all due to home. The pano news of the poison pacron. Yeah. The baby to my own food, but with names on the two sardian.
And then actually,
yes. Or bow on bit mouth to a do. Or get a bit mouth to a do. Or marrow a bit mouth to a do. A brown winning home shade. It is a flame of corner color was spiritual realm or a be a media bond to the scene. It's ye pema. Ye, who met. Say against that with Ebia me pet, or who's against me pet. But it's a fianza. It is not going to be fear saying Kenya. It was a quick paper a man, a malady, as Obia negate, Ebia Niaba, Ebia neba. No one who speak time and mididi, Ebia did bear 4 o'clock on the mirror, Ebia 5 o'clock on the mirror. It is your entity so and not and from who are eba, a poo, a wussy, a puja. Because food, you know, you are the close to food lockets, no. Never food, a poisonous match, and many pass system anymore. It's a produce out in from a bonny goose out food more, and the fire, yes, not to a banner to boost and be at the fast of Mawa. Now, dear, and now soon Subadano. Not would do or die him.
Your party be an uncle.
Party walk. Because you never say be a organization our condo, the Pocondi beans. It's our conditions or either by Yamon. And our Baba Yama, only by Yama, a 2 DVA. And as our tabby this no, and it because I do to the mount. It is our family party free her. Nipper be by 6 p.m. no, not another swabber. And I won't see a go soon more. There is no cause I have a family issue about her. No state because I have
a Diana Journal.
That's our 6 p.m. Ocon.
Because I don't see a corner,
yeah. No, they're gonna be see upon Tipete now, did he? Now, say the spiritual. Elements no omo sane free so na eba etomo free eso eba say sane eba sorry eko say no omo poison gum e go say book na the maybe six bia na who's and ma we na muyem
say ni omo re baby omo tu ekodidi na maka bo omo kofi akwa
this that time no ye abo be yaso ne ka ho a wo ba on yaso no it never for fear ekwa say ya it's when the is now didi a obepo sa poison agum. And this will be to open money.
Father, as I say, my okay, oh, yeah, the Bushian Timu about because Mekasa canina you will crass, you know. More fired than a grand beba. Me, mammy, I didn't dear beba. Ready, we beba, ready, near carbon, a grand beba, not be a bed, no, Sian, funny ade, near Tessim. Or dirty D, and a be a coyer, nagging out trans in ye D. There was a 1,000 Nunciani at Diabo. As a door can Ebama, Busian Jais idea, because you'll be a bit sure do too.
That's it. Emma, Emma, Nipebia Ubidia, your empire so poor, so. And they were dear so ye, as what dear, oh dear, and yet be swinging Massa Busan, ye need room, now the diabum. Nippon or ye again, the so the backgrounds, our ye grandma.
Then I made it.
Oh,
Mimia.
Now who are you about what present you could? Abra oba kasa no ohu ade e ba ni mu ode saa de
no asem ejapade nti no poison no
de japade isa physical thing free man etimi e de 4 bands e de solidity obusunya to be 4 bands de solidity abra oba ko dum ade ya wo ye onim tama oba bi be si say no ore be jai say ke no ata so onu aba no ni aba no so say etimi pam ko ye saa de wi
tene bo apayo oye bibi no ni ba ho so na ese bo apayo
wa shada
no ni na wa hefa
bi element as ye le saa
enti na man ho kwan
no man ho kwan wa shada ye friend the kra no ye friend the kra ye dia admade e hye ne nsa ye wa price bi wa ha physical being say physical being no ekuta bakro no nsa se question nsa wo o de be pege ni ma wo se kinya na ade na bo ru
na me ti hen na mata me phone say father me phone ije man bi local ma betima me aso
eno eye
fata asemusa
what say
asemusa betima
bet ma come see a phone because say phone eye glasses and element ka phone no ho it be say me call phone no wo fu me be mo phone no aka achi because I did phone na kasa no e usu breaks na we so connect with social with water parts and air parts
they all cannot the me wura sunsun asemu ba me kire say one on one and so am no ti ha di nkomo yi me phone lock da so father je me phone na e frɛ my store number bi kodwa mu apo manyi lock na ma ni de obetima frɛ
utimi frɛ but a spiritual way mu a the first sum a o phone na ka betima ho contact ani problem boa o ablabo ati asan ko fo boa ablabo mu betima seize sa locket na obeso ndaye na phone no na asɛn
na se enkoma ye di nyina ye sunsun nkomo enye ho na ma ni entobi nti ase ye se wo ye odo didi wo fie anopa se nwumresi sa ye sunsun nkomo ni nye ho na ma ni
because nipa bi ya ko marketer by 9 AM Satan na ho connect all the markets it ko ko diga anopa by 6 na ko diga no it free by 9 ko no na AM ko no na gani na adan adalutu because that time no na your element fellow office sa fellow office Satan no abowura ba bia no asa enam nyina no asa itoma je ne meku no asa ne nyina
enje mo tinye nipa boni semsa
aya mo so epe di pankasa
na pani pa ko wiase ne yemo unipa ma na sai o mo na adwane ebedi enka enya ohwe na ze ni tambi apani pa problem
that's a tuko ji no na manfo egu ji na yare no enye bibie na ye physical yare te dutu ekoso o wa ablabo na sene mo se dipa betie sa nkomo yunko ade a omo nsua de mfu
na adwane sem no aye se mako restaurant matukwa mako abrochire me no obi ahia adwane amato no me plate ne so efe bo ne so efe metwa e de akira manfo se kwakumi na me ni o ene mo hwe adwane amidi efe sa
the part are wrong to the natures ko adwane ade bia se between you and God so didi a so odi sie baby on count mo ko ekoko mo obi
father
yeah
de metwa koma num
ko mo obi
ana na adwane dia fashion ni kwa so bi
e ndi enye fashion ade e ba ni pe o kra ni mu adwane dia ko kra ni mu it is say oye difo na ye ma na ye kubibi na odi abontene so ya ese o menen you don't know the expertise
acho asem na kan tobo
yeah
o se
kan so oye malam oye difo na ye sofo na odidi wo bedwam so obi ahwe se me renam na kuma boa me renam a o menen onye difo na onye spiritualist you don't know what you are doing because the fact that expertise na the spirit you use the angels or the drug power you are using you know omo ma okwan se pe sa de wo bedwam
se ne odo didi wo ya adoye nso so
on say so we read all the sentences na of the religious part na Christianity most of the bedwam yes sa ewade didi na aya hwade esi ho se enkwan enom sa communion no omo de se adwane community pedwam anoko obi edi pa bebe edidi kwa hwe yawe de bre nkora no all these riches all this are the disappointment and a senior period as adie no
nipa doma didi
yeah a senior a so destiny a so abrabo
na se get together you cool na ye be get together ni ade a
aya hwo makasa mo na ye musu one o power we ko ye sa ade na unya bi open breakthrough unya bi da de bia wo problem o da so basa
That so they say be make us say what done way the dear man abro so cause I me ya tete bi say we the deep man abro so a wo da ye so e basa ti e basa na wo be so da na bi kra na se bi oponko adwa gu so wo HC ni ade say be we the dear me
Sem ya meti he. Am hwe madaje yi. Am hwe me seven sense of humanity no. Am ni made ya me kra ne pe. Ade me honhom ne pe. Ade ya yemni pedwa ne pe. Am ni machi wade no. Mbede makoso makoda koso ndaye. Na obi de agume be den. Sa tumi ko be sa ko suwe ko ba menchen.
e bi a wo dantem and e bi so wo did not see simu ana 5 more je ba so na adwane en hye wo so because me ka say makọ adwuma late ni ade traffic am dis me ba bedru bi abe 8:30 9:30 en commercial me actually ati ase say ahonhom no by 6 omo so your man no po ma sorry ni ade na say me ntimi ndidi no
Oh, so did 6 p.m. Day. Because we did more than for 6 p.m. I bet the crana. Because we did obedium. I said Klaus no. Because I 6 p.m. not Klaus no. No more you move. Now baby I said connection be for be say be afa. Because our time 6 p.m. na ahon bone no. E be said the richest corners much as say atom carpets. Spiritual nets. Because your mom be group aye programs. It was said this house spiritual marriage be about 11:30 p.m. Sa transfer marriage na we na agada na baby esom ko ni person kumko face na koda ni person ko yesei na mo mako.
Nice one. Spiritual marriage, 11:30 p.m. Saturday na start. Oh Marco, money chop money. Baba da be oba sorry no freely kama. En kra wa wo mu sunsun mu no ma me se papa. So an koje wo ma an hwe wo mu. Bibia no aye be ye o. Ti bomoden ne to anamon. Father Dixon the number na go screen ase. Fred, ubenya no one on one. Baby biara awo. Say so send the baby man. Say so to anamon be huna. O friend na de won biara no. Ubenya no one on one. Number na WhatsApp. Ubetima your voice note. Sebe, I didn't even know what form na so intimate type or 1 minute. Enye na kura bi na koje. No no a chat akasa say bi a father e busy there be. And ha, and a brebe ma kwan. Emi ade nkomo twetwe no asi. Medin ade kwakubuzi a Father Dixon ana acting nkan no. Ye can say P but emre no endi amuaye dasane ye beto aso.